Imagine you're running a massive application like Uber or Netflix. You have hundreds, maybe thousands of microservices running in the background. One handles login, one handles payments, another handles the search bar. Now, imagine if every single one of those services had to check your password, limit how many times you click, and log your activity individually. That is a nightmare. It's slow, it's insecure, and it's impossible to manage. Enter Kong Gateway. Think of it as the ultimate traffic controller, or the front door, for your entire digital infrastructure. Today, we are going to break down exactly what Kong is, the fascinating story of how it was accidentally invented, and why learning it could skyrocket your salary in the current tech job market. Let's dive in. At its core, Kong is an open-source API gateway. It acts as a middleware layer between your users, like mobile apps or websites, and your backend services. Instead of writing code for authentication or rate limiting in every single microservice, you just put Kong in front of them. Kong handles the security, the traffic flow, and the monitoring, and then passes the clean request to your backend. Technically speaking, Kong is a powerhouse. It is built on top of Nginx, which is already known as one of the fastest web servers in the world. Kong extends Nginx using OpenResty and the Lua programming language. What does that mean for you? It means it is incredibly fast. We're talking sub-millisecond latency. It's also platform agnostic. Whether you are running on bare metal servers, inside Docker containers, or managing a massive Kubernetes cluster, Kong works everywhere. It is the glue that holds modern cloud-native architectures together. The history of Kong is actually one of Silicon Valley's greatest pivot stories. Kong didn't start as a gateway company. Back in 2009, two founders, Augusto Marietti and Marco Palladino, started a company in Italy called Mashape. Their goal? To build an app store for APIs, a marketplace where developers could buy and sell APIs. As Mashape grew, they had a problem. They were processing billions of API requests for their marketplace, and they couldn't find a gateway fast enough to handle that traffic. So, they built their own internal tool to survive the load. In 2015, they realized something huge. Developers didn't just want the marketplace, they wanted the tool that powered it. They open-sourced that internal tool and named it Kong. The open-source project exploded in popularity. It became so big that in 2017, they sold the original marketplace business, rebranded the entire company to Kong Incorporated, and went all in on the gateway. Today, they are a unicorn company valued at over $1 billion, used by companies like Ferrari, Nasdaq, and GSK. So, why should you care about this for your career? Because the job market for Kong skills is heating up. As companies move away from old, clunky monoliths to microservices, they need gateways. If you are in DevOps or platform engineering, Kong is becoming a required skill, especially for Kubernetes ingress. Companies are looking for API architects and SREs who can manage traffic at scale. In the US, senior roles requiring these skills often range from $130,000 to over $190,000 a year. In India and Europe, we see a massive premium for developers who know how to customize Kong using Lua or manage it with Helm charts. It's not just about installing it. The high-paying roles are for people who can write custom plugins in Lua or Go, and who understand how to secure an enterprise network using Kong. To summarize, Kong started as a survival tool for a marketplace, became the industry standard for API gateways, and is now a golden ticket for DevOps engineers looking to level up their careers. If you are looking to learn a new tool this year, Kong is a safe and profitable bet. Thanks for watching. If you want to see a technical tutorial on how to install Kong on Docker in 5 minutes, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.